Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about T-Mobile. So I'm on friendominternet.com here, and so it says that T-Mobile will make a hugely unpopular change to its plans as early as May 2023. So it looks like the T-Mobile is going to be making a change to its plans starting in May of this year. So let's go ahead and check this out. So it says that after recently upsetting a presumably small number of people by dropping a killer Sprint unlimited premium perk at the most convenient time possible and suffering a network outage that clearly impacted more of its subscribers earlier this week. This article was published on February 18th, which was last week. Today is February 22nd as I'm recording this video, alright? Says T-Mobile is gearing up to enrage an even more number of customers in a few months or so. Of course, the outage has already kicked off and reached universal hate levels on Reddit and other social media platforms as the news of an impending AutoPay change quickly spread from CNET to the Mobile Report, being officially confirmed by multiple sources including customer support representatives. In a nutshell, the carrier is planning to ban customers who use credit cards to pay the monthly bills from receiving their standard $5 discount per line as early as May 2023. That sounds pretty bad because it is, even though T-Mobile insists the change will not affect the vast majority of its customers, whose debit cards and good old-fashioned bank accounts will continue to be eligible for the AutoPay discount. That's the change, and a lot of people are not gonna like that. So, if you guys want to do the AutoPay thing on T-Mobile, you guys will have to use your debit card or your bank account to get the $5 discount. You guys will not be able to use your credit cards now to do the to do AutoPay on T-Mobile. You guys will not be able to do that. You guys will have to have a bank account or a debit card to do AutoPay on T-Mobile, which a lot of people are not going to like that because, you know, it is going to piss a lot of people off. It says if you want Magenta to keep slashing $5 off your monthly service cost per line after May, the easiest course of action is obviously to add your debit card or bank account information to your T-Mobile customer account over the next few months, and use that to foot your bill. Alright. So, like I said, you guys will have to have a bank account and or a debit card to use AutoPay on T-Mobile. Okay, it's pretty simple as that, but it's going to suck for a lot of people that use credit cards for AutoPay on T-Mobile. It's going to suck because then they have to make changes and all that shit. It's a big inconvenience for a lot of people, you know what I mean? So that sucks. It says, as you can imagine, T-Mobile plans to inform all affected users of the change well in advance of putting it into effect, giving everyone enough time to consider their options. The only real alternative to the aforementioned revision is to continue using a credit card for wireless service payments and lose the AutoPay discount as early as May. You can still use a credit card to pay your T-Mobile bill. However, you guys will not get the $5 discount for AutoPay if you guys continue to use your credit card. Keep that in mind. You can still use your credit card to pay your T-Mobile phone bill, but you will not get the $5 monthly discount. So keep that in mind. You guys will need a bank account or a debit card to get the $5 monthly discount. So keep that in mind. Why is T-Mobile making a change that's drawing intense criticism and customer frustration months before materializing? It's probably all about money, of course, and whichever payment method incurs the lowest fees on the uncarrier's plan on the uncarrier's part. For the record, Verizon AutoPay discount is also limited to subscribers using debit cards and bank accounts, in addition to Verizon branded Visa cards, which, while AT&T has no similar restrictions put in place just yet, quote unquote. So if you have AT&T, you can use your credit card, debit card, bank account to pay your phone bill. If you have Verizon, you guys have to use debit cards, bank accounts, and Verizon branded Visa cards. It says here, in other words, T-Mobile's rules and regulations are slowly but surely getting worse than those of the conventional carriers it has long mocked and labeled as greedy and disgusting. So, I mean, I think this is a money thing, personally, because like that's all the carriers care about, money, obviously. So, yeah, in order to get the discount on T-Mobile now, you guys would have to have a debit card or bank account to get the $5 monthly discount for AutoPay. You can still use a credit card to pay your phone bill, but you won't get the discount, so keep that in mind. So, yeah, Verizon does this, and AT&T has no such restrictions, quote unquote, just yet. But we'll see if T-Mobile, we'll see if AT&T follows suit. We'll see. So, yeah, that sucks for a lot of T-Mobile customers that they will have to make changes to their accounts. They'll have to change their card information and all that shit and all that. So it sucks for the team. It sucks for the customers that will be affected by this. So it sucks. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.